Do you love to fly? What's holding you back from being a better pilot? Is it your skills? Is it your nervousness? Is it your lack of confidence? What if I could help you gain the cheat codes, the hacks, to limit your learning curve? What if I could take it from years down to days? What if I could show you all the tips, tricks, and hacks for setting up your drone from smooth tilt to the videography settings and all the sensors to turn off so that you can get the best footage possible? What if I could then show you how to fly super close to objects and get really complex, smooth flight motions in even the most difficult environments? Well, it's the perfect practice model, which is why you have to join us at the upcoming Advanced Drone Videography and Subject Tracking class in Austin, Texas, this March 6th through 8th. This 3-day-long class is going to take you from flight mastery into advanced subject tracking. You're going to get resources so that you have the right materials to help you when you're out in the field, setting up the camera, setting up your drone. What happens if you did a firmware upgrade and you flashed all your settings? Well, with the right resources from DroneU, you won't be left behind. That's why I'm going to teach you how to fly smoother, closer, and at a faster rate than what most drone pilots can do. Look, we all know that the most qualified drone pilots get the best jobs. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now if you believe that you can gain the right flight skills to do subject tracking or some of the coolest jobs. You know, when I was talking to one of our business partners, I asked him, is there some sort of data point that we have from the very best drone pilots that have come out of DroneU? Sure enough, we figured out that they had all gone to a subject tracking class. So why not offer this advanced videography and subject tracking together? We're gonna go through all the drills of flight mastery, then we're gonna set up your drone before we make our way on day 2, which will be spent entirely on the water as you subject track boats through Lake Travis. This is gonna be one class you won't wanna miss. Sunday, we're gonna keep flying and practice those subject tracking drills. This way, you have now practiced and mastered the art of flying from the water or from land. And yes, the settings are very different. Now, if you're like me, you love to have fun and you love to have experiences, but you also want to gain practical knowledge that's going to help you and your business. Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to show you how to get the skills to pay the bills, but also have a lot of fun. So join me in Austin, Texas and Lake Travis for a 3-day-long course to set up your drone, get footage that you can use to market yourself, and have an environment of drone flight practice that's kind of hard to beat. By eliminating the obstacles and flying on the lake, we can help you focus and we can give you that dedicated time to jumpstart your flight skills. Now, if you're like me and you want to be one of the best pilots, seriously, don't miss this class. It's one of my personal favorites and I will be there instructing it myself. So I'll see you there for a class you won't want to miss. Wait, bonus! This particular class we're doing a little bit differently. It's also like an experience in yourself. You can even rent a room on site where the lake house is. So if you want to have that drone camp-like environment, you can get it. We can spend time together. We can talk about business. We can talk about all the questions that you have as a drone pilot. So if you want to join me and the flight crew, then you're not going to want to miss this class because you're going to have amazing opportunities to have discussions with like-minded pilots that I would think would help you. All right, my name is Paul, this is DroneU, and join me for the Advanced Drone Videography with Subject Tracking in Austin, Texas, March 6th through 8th. See you there.